I'm Susan Ireland, author of the Job Interview Guide and the Salary Guide on susanireland.com. Before you step foot into that office for your job interview, and especially before you start salary negotiations, do your homework. Find out what's going on in the job market, in your profession, in your industry, and in your geographic location. These are all important ingredients that you're going to need in order to negotiate a good job title and a good salary or paycheck. So, there are lots of tools here on the internet. I recommend that you invest your time to get as much information beforehand so that when you're there in the boardroom with your potential employer, that you demonstrate not only that you know what's going on, but that you are a professional in all ways, not only for yourself, but that you will be for the company that you will be representing once you're hired. I'm Susan Ireland at susanireland.com.